Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this program, we're going to see about bus ticket booking. In this program, first I create a class called RedBus and data called bus ID, bus source, bus destination, number of seats that bus have, and price per seats that bus have. And another, we have to call the constructor. This is constructor, and enter the bus destination. Output like enter bus destination and enter the bus source and enter the bus ID, number of seats and price per seats. And I call getter setter method. This is getter and setter method. Void set bus ID means we want to set one bus ID, that is this setter method, and get means we want to get that bus ID like that it all come. And last methods, I want to show that all details in that bus, so I create a method like void store all details, and this is output. It will come void view all details. In one bus we put all details, so it will come all details in that bus. And this is view bus one dot view all details will come. That one bus will come all details. And I create another class called demo. In this program I create do while loop. So welcome to shopping, add number of bus and display available bus, book ticket, cancel the ticket. We want to choose this one, and case 1 we see enter the add number of bus. So enter number of bus, and bus is equal to red bus. I create red bus class. So number, and for loop int I is equal to 0, I is less than bus dot length I plus plus. That means enter the bus ID. That bus ID will come like that. We give how many bus we want, so we will give that bus how many bus we want, and that data will be saved. And case 2 will see enter that bus ID. Case 2 display the available bus. What are the buses are available in this case? So boolean I use flag and system.out.println enter bus ID. That ID is equal to the scanner.next line, and for int I is equal to 0, I is less than bus dot length I plus plus. That means that get bus ID is equal to that ID means it will come all details on that bus. Otherwise that bus is not found, it will come. That flag is false. And third cases, we want to book ticket. So scanner.next line system.out.println, we want to give source and destination. It will come for int I is equal to 0, I is less than bus dot length I plus plus. If bus ID of getter source get bus source dot equal to bus I, get bus destination is equal, this two are equal means it will come that it will we want to book the ticket. So we enter the tickets you want to book. We want to give 5 or 4 ticket we want to book. So int t is equal to scanner.next line int n is equal to bus, get number of seats. We want to give seats how many you want and set that number of seats, and we break this case. In case it is false means it will come enter the correct. So we give one source that bus, and destination is another bus is not found. So enter the correct source and destination. Ticket was come in your message box. Like if you ticket book means that book ticket is coming in your message box. So we break that case. And case 4, we want to cancel the ticket. If you want to cancel the ticket means if you know that bus ID, so enter that bus ID. If that bus ID is equal to that ID means you want to cancel the ticket. So how many tickets you want to cancel, you will put, and n is equal to bus get number of seats. If you want to cancel the ticket means how many seats you want to cancel, we will give, and ticket is cancelled, amount was refund your account. System.out.println, we will give like this designs, and if you want to invalid choice means it will come that system.err.println means that this line will come red color. So system.out.println, do you want to continue means 1 or no means 2. Thank you. This last system.out.println is thank you for your booking. It will come like that designs. That's all. Okay, I run this program. This is the output. Welcome to shopping, and number of buses, display available buses, book ticket, cancel the ticket. You want to enter our choice. I enter add number of buses. Enter number of buses. I give 2. Bus 1 details. The constructor called that. I enter the bus destination first K, and enter the bus source PRV, and enter the bus ID VIC, and enter the number of seats 45. Enter the price per seats 20, as well as I give bus 2 details, first destination GA, and enter the bus source government, and enter the bus ID ATU, and enter number of seats is 35, price per seat is 30. The data will be saved. If you want to continue means first one, and no means second one we give. I give first one, so I want to continue, and I want to display available buses. So enter the bus ID means VIC I give means that bus details will come. See, and again, do you want to continue means I want to continue, so I give 1, and enter our choices. I give 3. Book, I want to book ticket. If you book ticket means we have to first we give correct source and destination. Here I give wrong, so enter the correct source and destination. It will come like red color. So again I give 3, and bus source is PRV and bus destination is K. So PRV K is asking enter number of tickets you want to book. I give 3 tickets. So tickets was come in your message box. It will come. And do you want to continue? I want to continue. So I want to cancel the ticket I book. So enter the bus ID. Bus ID is ATU. I want to 2 tickets cancelled. So that 2 will I give, and ticket is cancelled. Amount was refund your account. Now I finished all. So I don't want to continue, so I give 2, and thank you for your booking. It will come. This is my program. Thank you for watching.